wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today's video is a foundation hunt on the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I've gotten a couple of requests on this one, and it confuses me because I don't really like, looking at reviews and stuff that other people leave on products I know I'm going to do videos on. But I went to go, screenshot the information, like the price, the description, and I couldn't help but see the star review on Ulta, and it's like 1.5 stars or 2 stars. So I'm wondering why I'm getting requests on it, but if you want to see it, then let's go. So here it is. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. This retails for $9.99. I don't know how many shades it comes in. On Ulta, there are 14 options. That wouldn't surprise me if that's how large the shade range is, but sometimes Ulta doesn't carry the entire shade range. But on Ulta, there are 14 options. I got it in the second to last, which is $3.70. We'll see how that goes. What do they say about this? The Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer is created with 76% natural origin ingredients with aloe for natural coverage, with shine-free 12-hour hydration, lightweight fresh feel formula, even skin tone, and conceals imperfections for naturally perfected skin. Benefits. Okay. So let me just put this tinted moisturizer. So we're going for that no makeup look today. It's kind of watery of a product. This has a pasty smell to it. I don't mind it, but I also like the smell of gasoline. So take that how you will. Okay, I feel like you can still see any marks I might still have, which depending on how you like tinted moisturizer, if you like tinted moisturizer, could be a good thing or a bad thing. Some people they want a little something, but they still want freckles or something like that to show through, so this would still do that. Some people want tinted moisturizer but still want coverage with it, so you might have to layer this one. I'm not gonna do that again because we're going for that no makeup look, so I'm just gonna throw on some concealer, some powder, go about my day. I'm pretty sure the concealer is thicker than the tinted moisturizer, which is saying a lot because the Fenty concealer is not that thick, but I like that. I like a lighter coverage foundation or tinted moisturizer, and then a concealer that's a little more full coverage, so that can do the work, so I don't have to use, that much foundation. See, now I feel like this is the type of face that I could maybe get away with saying I don't have any makeup on, even though we know I have quite a bit. I got foundation, concealer, 2 powders on, and of course mascara, but maybe that's why it only has 2 stars. Maybe it's too sheer, although I feel like that's usually what people want when they want a tinted moisturizer, but we'll see. I think it's supposed to be a hot day today, so we'll see how it holds up in, warmer weather. It is 11:38, so I'm gonna go check in midday and then meet you back here so I can tell you my thoughts on this tinted moisturizer. Okay, so I figured why not do the afternoon check-in outside. Mind you, I was outside an hour-ish ago. When I tell you, I felt like I was melting, and I was only out here for 30, not even 30 minutes, maybe 20. But this is my face is looking like, I want to say around 2:30, it's probably closer to 2:40, but 2:30-ish in the afternoon. I feel like I'm starting to, produce oil, but it's not giving me oily face, right? It's kind of giving me just, I don't know, dewy face-ish. I have a Jolly Rancher in, if you're wondering what that is. So I'm not sure, how I'm feeling about it. I feel like I'm creasing a little bit in my smile lines. Remember how I said it was a lightweight? It's giving lightweight, but it's also giving me foundation-ish. I don't know. We'll see when I check in for the last, but I don't think I'm mad at it. I'm confused. So I am back. It is 6:07. This is what my face is looking like. Y'all know when I just go ahead and wrap it up like this, I'm just not feeling it. I went back, I looked, it has 1.5 star. It has a 1.5 star rating. I am quickly understanding why. The whole day I've been sitting here just confused on this. Do I like it? Do I not? Why am I so back and forth on this? The only thing I like about this product is how sheer it is. Like I said before, it's so sheer that, if you want that type of coverage where it's just something on your face, it's not gonna, erase freckles, beauty spots, dark spots, anything like that. If you don't want it to, it's not going to do that. I also don't think this is a very buildable tinted moisturizer. If you did want to build it up, I don't think this is one that you would want to do that with. So that's the only thing about this that I like with this tinted moisturizer. Other than that, y'all see my face? It's not giving, you know, just like glow from within type look anymore. It's giving very much so, yeah, my face is very oily right now. But the weirdest thing for me is that I feel like I can feel it now, right? Like it's pretty sheer. It goes on pretty lightweight, but I feel like I'm feeling this on my face. And even though it's a sheer, supposed to be, well, felt like lightweight coverage tinted moisturizer thing, I feel like it's also giving cakey at the same time. I don't even know how that makes sense, but I feel like it's also giving like cakey around my smile line, stuff like that. It's a weird product. For tinted moisturizer, like I said, the only thing I like about it is the coverage. It is a very sheer product, but like everything else combined has me just like, I'm kind of ready to take this off. Maybe if I blot, see. Ooh. Okay. Well, that's what it looks like after blotting. Yeah, it's just a no for me, dog, on this one. I don't know, it's been a while since a product has confused me like that, but it's just not the product for me. I will insert a flash test right here. And that is it for this video. Oh, it was very hot today. Like I mentioned when I did the check-in, I stepped outside. Ooh, so, you know, maybe she's better suited for the winter, but again, I don't know too many people. Well, some people wear tinted moisturizer, you know, year-round type thing, right? I'm trying to look for the bright side here. So maybe it's better suited for the winter, but if you want tinted moisturizer in the summer because of the heat and you have oily skin, I don't know what it's gonna do for you, please. So let me know if you've tried this before, what your thoughts are in the comments down below. If you wanted to pick this up and wanted to hear some thoughts, I hope hearing my experience with it has helped. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.